In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your Microsoft Outlook mailbox storage up to 100 GB in the new Outlook. If you've tried older tricks like tweaking PST or OST file limits, you've probably noticed they're less relevant now. The new Outlook is cloud first, which means the most reliable way to get more space is to increase your account's storage directly through Microsoft. Start by opening your web browser and signing into Outlook with the same account you use in the new Outlook app. Using the correct account here is important because the storage you manage online is the storage your Outlook desktop will sync to. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the Outlook web page for your account area. Open it to access your Microsoft account settings. This takes you out of the inbox view and into the broader account dashboard, where Microsoft groups key settings for Outlook, OneDrive, and other services associated with your account. In the account dashboard, select Storage. This will redirect you to your Microsoft storage settings. Think of this page as your central storage hub. It shows how much space you have, how it's being used, and what options you have to expand it. Because the new Outlook mirrors your mailbox from the cloud, increasing this storage directly affects how much email you can keep and sync. On the storage page, look for the Get More Storage option and click it. You'll see available plans and capacities. Choose the option that fits your needs, including plans that offer 100 GB data or more, depending on what's available for your region and account type. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the selection. After you confirm your choice, your account's storage limit will increase. Outlook may take a little time to reflect the change, especially if you're close to your previous limit. Give it a few minutes to sync. If you don't see the update right away in the desktop app, a quick restart of Outlook can help refresh the connection. A few tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're signed in with the same account everywhere, as storage is tied to that identity. Availability and pricing for storage tiers can vary based on your plan. If you're using a work or school account, your organization might manage storage centrally. And remember, in the new Outlook, expanding account storage is the modern supported way to accommodate more mail without fussing with legacy file size settings. That's it. You've increased your Outlook mailbox storage using the new Outlook's modern, flexible approach.